Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful skull cap wig from start to finish. If you're the type that have been finding difficulties to making a skull cap wig, then this video is pretty much for you. So before I move on, this is what I did. I already drew my patterns using my tailor chalk just so that I can follow the lines properly, because I'm using a sewing machine to make this wig. So yeah, if you want to use your hand, then that's pretty much fine. Just follow the lines like I am already showing here. You can just pause this video and just follow the directions on how you want to make your wig. But this is pretty much easy because it's a skull cap wig. We need to make sure that it's very close to each other. So that's basically it. There is no magic to it. Just follow the lines properly and you'll be able to make a skull cap wig. And for this wig cap, I use a mesh wig cap for this is because I find it very easy to use my sewing machine for while using this cap. So that's why I love using this cap when making my wigs using sewing machine. So yeah, this I use an afro bee for these, and then I divided the hair into two. This is how to do yours. If you're gonna do it, divide the hair into two, and then you just place the hair like so on the lines, following the directions, and then you start sewing.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere.
So yeah, this is me basically just cutting it just to see how far I have sewn it, and then you can see how neatly this is already looking, being that I'm using a sewing machine to sew this wig. If you're yet to give this video a huge thumbs up, kindly do so by clicking on that like button over there, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also thank you lovelies to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always being consistent. I really love you guys a lot. And yeah, this is so far how I have done this wig. While I was done sewing it, when you get to the final stage, which is the closing part, you need to use your hand and you need to use the needle and thread to sew this properly. So just watch carefully so that you can see pretty much how I did this. And yeah, lovies, just keep on watching.
Where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.